Here we are in the Ram. We're gonna be replacing the radio today. Hooking up reverse cam, dash cam. Let's take this dash apart and get to work. There's usually a screw over here by this bag holder. However, it's not there. So we're gonna pull apart this dash. Hoping this trailer brake isn't gonna mess it up. It might have to loosen that. We're gonna pop this off. All right, so we just pulled this back, unplugged all the plugs, and we're gonna undo the radio. All right, so we got the radio unplugged and the antenna. Before we do anything else, we're gonna run the wires for the reverse camera and dash cam. All right, on the install, put up the camera, wired it to the reverse light. Then we ran it down the side of the bed, down the bed, underneath, into the rear of the cab. On the driver's side, ran it underneath the carpet, and then underneath the carpet, and now run it up to the radio. That's for the reverse cam for the ATOTO A6. All right, now we're gonna wire up the dash cam, which we're gonna put it right behind the rearview mirror, run the wires up to the roof, and then down the side into the radio. ATOTO A6 Pro. Access the dash cam. Records in 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute blocks. You can choose. That's the dash cam. I like this radio because it has buttons, real buttons on it also. You have a SD card, even aux and USB. Don't really need anything else. The aux or USB, if you're not, I mean, you don't really need to plug in your phone because you got Spotify, Pandora, Google Music, even YouTube. Also got Plex and torque, so I can view what the car is doing. Go on YouTube. Go to the MDK Garage YouTube channel, which needs some oh look, pulled up a video. Got the YouTube channel loaded up. They'll look much better when I get some photos on there. YouTube, we got Spotify. The radio works well. I don't want to turn that on because it'll have copyrighted music. Reverse camera. If we put it in reverse, the reverse camera pops up. That is probably the biggest reason why I got this set up, because it's nice having a reverse camera. Once you use one, you'll want to have it. We got the reverse camera that plugs into the reverse light, so once it gets power, it automatically turns on the radio and pops right up. Got the dash cam. We also have GPS. It'll load up Google Maps. It has a GPS built that comes in with the unit. You just got to wire and stick it on. And that's where we are. Very good unit. I do recommend it. I bought the double din kit and had to take the old single din or din and a half that Dodge and Chrysler come with in these years, and replace that plastic with this one from Amazon. Well, it looks